Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to check if your iPhone battery has been replaced and whether it's a genuine Apple battery. I'll also show you how to check your battery health before buying a used iPhone or deciding if it's time for a replacement. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Now tap About at the top. On some iPhone models, if your battery has been replaced, you may see a message indicating that the battery is a replacement part or that Apple has detected a replaced battery. If you don't see any message here, don't worry. There's another place where you can check. Go back to the main settings screen. Scroll down and tap Battery. Next, tap Battery, Health, and Charging. This page displays your battery's health information and whether Apple recognizes the installed battery as genuine. If your battery has not been replaced, you'll normally see your maximum capacity percentage and peak performance capability without any warning messages. However, if your iPhone cannot verify the installed battery, you may see an important battery message stating that Apple is unable to verify that this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery and battery health information may not be available. You can also tap Learn More to read Apple's explanation about battery verification. Now let's check your battery health. Look at the maximum capacity percentage. If it's around 100% or in the 90% range, your battery is still in good condition. If the maximum capacity drops below 80%, Apple generally considers the battery significantly worn, and you may notice shorter battery life and reduced performance. If you're planning to buy a used iPhone, always check this percentage before purchasing. And if your battery health is below 80%, it's a good idea to contact Apple or an Apple-authorized service provider to ask whether a battery replacement is recommended. If your device is still covered by Apple's warranty or Apple Care Plus and meets the service conditions, the replacement may be covered. And that's it. That's how you can check if your iPhone battery has been replaced, verify whether it's recognized as a genuine Apple battery, and check its overall health. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.